Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today my little poem begins. Friday is here, we smile and say, welcome, welcome, happy Friday. After studying day by day, Friday comes in a happy way. Books and pencils, lessons and play, we learn new things every day. Children learn in many styles, with curious minds and happy smiles. Some learn by reading, some by seeing, some learn best by doing and being. When teachers show pictures bright, learning becomes fun and light. Stories, games, and questions too help our minds learn something new. Some kids love to read and write, some enjoy drawing with colors bright, some like music, songs, and rhyme. Learning happens all the time. When we work together as a team, learning feels just like a dream. Sharing ideas, helping friends, that is how good learning begins. Friday is a joyful day. Teachers teach in a playful way. Quizzes, stories, fun and art, these activities make us smart. We revise lessons we learned all week, answer questions, raise our speak. Every mistake helps us grow. Step by step our knowledge shows. School is not just books and tests. School helps us become our best. We learn respect, kindness too, and how to dream big dreams come true. So my friends, let us all say, learning is fun in every way. With happy hearts we work and play, and celebrate this happy Friday. Thank you.